have created this event series called Tallinn Tuesday, where we visit the different galleries. The main idea is to show everybody where all the galleries are in Tallinn, because I think a lot of people don't actually know exactly how many galleries there are, where they are, and what are people doing in galleries even.
With this event we want to talk about galleries as a venue in a broader sense. There are pop-up galleries, new galleries, even to introduce the old ones that people maybe haven't visited. Experiencing this in June with bikes, I think it's also a good way to experience the city.
It also has a practical aspect to it, that we can spread a little bit outside of the central area of Tallinn. People will also learn a little bit like what are the best routes to take and how to survive as a biker in Tallinn.
Today it was 7 exhibitions.
Out of the ordinary was the Voronia korterinäitus, which is the apartment show.
What was unique about today was that we started earlier with visiting Tallinn Art Hall and the group show of Artists Union members' annual exhibition, and they announced the public prize winner.
The main idea is to get people who are from the outside of the regular art circles to come.
We always, in every event, have people who haven't visited any of these galleries, or they just go to one and never knew about the others.